ready?
Yeah.
I'm Caden Wells, and I'm skiing in the deepest storm of my life.
Woo! Oh my God!
Hold on, Caden, hold on.
The person telling me to hold on is my dad. We decided to take a last-minute trip and drive 23 hours from Michigan to Salt Lake City in pursuit of the biggest storm of the year. This is the story of College Spring Break 2024. Our first stop of the trip was Jackson Hole, where in the 3 days prior they had landed over 70 inches of snow.
Against the wall, staring down an empty hall, deep down in a hollow log, coming home like a ladder bomb. Cold was the storm that covered the night. Call a doctor, call a ghost, put a fire into your bones, sick a dog and all you know, cut it loose before you go. Was the storm that covered the night. What makes the soul of a man?
Even though the snow showed no signs of stopping, we had a schedule, and we had to drive another 6 hours from Jackson Hole to Salt Lake City through the middle of a blizzard for our next stop of the trip.
Beat my bones against the wall, put a fire on your bone, green and golden rod, deep down in a hollow log. Cold was the storm that burned in the night. What makes the soul of a man?
Yeah, I'm good.